We might be going through a process of adjusting things for a while. Let's see how it goes. That's part of the fun, though. You know, you get yourself a little car like this, mess around with stuff like this and keeps you too busy to get involved in drugs and alcohol and wild and stuff like that. Because you're too busy messing with your car, getting in any trouble. Little road not too far from here. It goes up the side of the mountain. I might just go run up there. Hopefully it'll be a lot faster up there. Lugging the engine on purpose. I read somewhere that was a pretty good way to seat the ring on one of these. Big long uphill drive here. Now I'm in fourth gear. I had it in fifth gear, but I was going for about a second or two. It didn't let her do it over chugging. You're way up on the hill. You can see. I'm not going beyond her. You can see all those mountains. That's supposed to do. I couldn't turn the camera. Mountains over there. Yeah. I was told my mama, I used to tell my mama that I was going to go away when I got old. She said, no, don't leave. I said, yeah. I said, I'm going to go somewhere where I wouldn't live in the mountains next to the ocean. And she'd say, well, you silly boy, there ain't no place where they got mountains next to the ocean. And I said, I bet they do. I'm going to find one. And here I am. I turned around so fast. Not that I'm against dirt roadage. I think I'd rather be on a paved road. I know the side turn back there, so I can shut down. I rode up on dirt roads. I done drove one up. Temperature's good and the oil pressure's good. That's a nice view from here. Let's stop. I think they call this lake overview. You know, I can't even see it. Maybe you can. I ain't got much of a focus on this camera, but if you look out yonder way, it's a pretty good view of the lake. You know, runs behind where I live. There's a pond back there that the river runs into. So I'm smoking a little here, but not like the other day. Not nearly as much. Go out this road and see where it goes. I know all these roads around here now. Yeah. Ring had completely seated. Oh, put it down. Shepherd Hill Road. Go that way, you go to Washington, where I used to live, or if you go down the bottom of the hill, there's beans right down there at the bottom of the hill. I'll go north. What was that all about? Wrong glasses on. More I can see. So what I might do, go ahead and cut her off. I pulled a compression check on that one piston because it was coated in oil. And my thinking was, and that's going to be the problem right there. But then I found that other deal with the leak from the valve cover and the loose exhaust manifold. And I thought, well, man, I think that's it right there. So I didn't really compression check the rest of them, and I think I will. Now that plug wire right there looks like it's loose, and before I left I pushed it up on there because it looked like it was loose, and I believe it's loose now. This one right here, that's not on there like it should be. This should be up on there tight, and it should stay tight. Well, maybe because of these other wires being under it, maybe I should put them on like that. Let's see if that changes the way it sounds, because it didn't sound perfect to me. So that's what I'm going to plan to do. I'm going to, I may set this out in the yard and look at that young fella's Jeep a little bit more. Let's see, looks like this thing didn't stay. It's loose. I'll put it back up and do a little more welding on it. But I think what I'll do is set this out in the yard, let it cool down, and then run a compression check on everything else on this side. I could do that hot. I don't burn my arms up doing it. Okay, time to cut y'all off while I consider my next move here. Next move ought to be going in the house and get me a sandwich.